Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aditya Kanjilal and I'm back with another video, but this is going to be a quick video because this is about a feature that Photoshop has launched into their latest updates. So without wasting any more time, I'll meet you after the intro. See ya. So the feature that I am talking about right now is called color conversion, which means a black and white photo can be transformed into a color photo. So today we are going to test this feature and see how much it is effective and what are the differences between from a real color photo than a black and white converted one. So let's begin. So first you have to take the photo, a black and white photo. Then you have to go to, there is one thing that you need to remember is when you add your black and white photo, you should see that there is this thing gray /16 inches probably. So if it says this, then you have to change it to RGB mode. So right now this is in grayscale mode. You have to change it in RGB mode. Then you can color convert the photo. So first let me change it into the RGB mode. So how you will do it? Go to the image, go to modes. Right here it is on grayscale. You have to click on RGB color and see RGB /16 inches is done. Now go to the filter section. Filter section, neural filters. It is loading still, so you have to wait, and it is done. Now click on this colorize and turn on. So it will take a little bit of time, but I think so. It is done. Press OK. And see, the photo is transformed from black and white to colorized color mode. So you can see there are differences in the picture because I clicked it, and for the reference for your understanding, I kept a photo of color in the same background, same studio, so you can get a reference that what are the differences between this black and white transformed into a color photo and this is the real raw color photo of the same person with the same background. So as you can see, the background is white in this real photo, real raw, with the skin tone is normal. This is not even edited, this is pure raw. And the lipstick color is red, normal. There is no blue tone to the picture, but if you see the color converted one, it is the skin tone is way more saturated. The lipstick color is way more deeper. The background color is not even white. It is having a blue tone, and the blue tone is here and all over the picture. So as you can see, this is the final result that you get from the colorized option, the new feature of Photoshop. But in my opinion, I think so the real, if you click a photo in color mode, then it is way better. If you want to click in black and white mode, then do it through camera only, your DSLR camera only. Don't apply these features because this photo contained a lot of grains and way more punchy look to it. It does not have that raw feeling that this raw color photo has. So this was the entire video all about the feature, and it is all about you, that how you use this feature. It is a quick helper when you need to get a photo. If you this is a different kind of circumstances when come around when you need a quick 2-3 photos which are in black and white that you have clicked, but those are great shots, and you need those photos in color, then you can use this feature for absolute. This will be a absolute savior. But other than that, I would prefer that you should guys click in different modes only. If you want to click black and white, then click in black and white. If you want to click in color, then click in color. So this causes a little bit of distortion to the photo. It distorts the photo. So in my opinion, it is good, but it is not good as well. So hope you like the video. This was a quick video. And also there is a very important thing that we are now at 110 subscribers. Thank you very much for this. I really appreciate it, and really I'm being honest that I'm really happy to get up to here. For being detached for so many months and still getting this far, it's really amazing. Thank you guys for that. And the next target is to get 1,000 subscribers and a blast of views in my videos with you all, with my YouTube family. Thank you very much for this, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, see you on a sayonara, adios, and bye bye.